Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how I do my eyebrows because I just purchased a few products the other day from Benefit Cosmetics, and so now I know what I'm doing and like kind of what brow look I'm going for. And so a few people asked me to share my brow routine or like how I fill them in, so I thought I would do that. But I'm not just gonna show that because like then the video would only be like a minute long, so I'm actually just gonna do like a makeup tutorial today, but the title will be called how I fill in my brows and all that stuff. So the first thing that I'm gonna do today is wear concealer because we're going to Great America, which is like a amusement park slash water park with my cousins. So I don't want to wear that much makeup because it is gonna be like a water park, but I do want to conceal some of those
blemishes on my face, if you know what I mean.
So I'm gonna go in with the Shape Tape concealer and go under my eyes. Then I'm gonna grab a sponge and start blending that in.
Yo.
Alright, so now that I have those kind of like put on control, I'm going to go in and kind of set my under eyes. So I am using the Kat Von D palette, and I'm gonna go in with this first shade right here and just brush over my eyes.
Or brush under my eyes.
So I don't want to wear any bronzer today because, like I said, I don't want to do too much makeup. So next I'm just going to grab some blush on. So I'm going to use this Smashbox highlighting kit, and I'm going to use this shade right here for my blush. Also, I felt like it was really pretty outside today, so that's why I wanted to film out here. Usually I don't do this because where I live, there's a lot of noises and there's a lot of wind too sometimes, so it's very pretty right now, so that's why I felt like filming outside. Then I'm going to do my highlighter, and I'm just going to do a really subtle highlighter today. I'm going to mix these two shades and put that up here. And now it is brow time. So I have two products that I'm going to be using today. I'm going to be using this Precisely My Brow Pencil in the shade number 4 and the Gimme Brow Gel in the shade number 3. So I'm going to have my mirror here because I'm going to need to look at it. So the first thing I like to do is go in with the Precisely My Brow Pencil and use the spoolie side. I'm going to zoom y'all in so that you can see more. Alright, so I'm just combing through my eyebrows. The next thing I'm going to do is use this side, and this is the actual pencil itself. I'm just going to twist that and start lining them. So the first thing I like to do is go right under the brow and just lightly kind of outline the bottom of it. From full steps to a whole nother domain. I'm a living proof, so ain't compromising. $500,000 on a coupe, drug houses, looking like Peru. Graduated, I was over. Yeah? Who? Really? Alright, from there I'm just going to stroke down very lightly because you want it to go from light to dark. So I'm just going to do light streaks and then fill in the rest.
Ew, it's wet. Kara, they're waiting.
I know, hold on!
I was overdue, I'm a pink model, I can barely move, ask about me.
Alright, and then finally I'm going to go in with the Gimme Brow and just comb them out. This will kind of like set everything into place. And that is my brow tutorial. Sorry if this video is really short, but that is all to it. I'm gonna go enjoy a day at the water park and amusement park now. So I will see you guys in my next video. If you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you didn't, don't do anything. And yeah, see y'all later.
I knew from the first time, I stayed for a long time, 'cause I like me better when